chapter 3, part 29. The Parawana is related to have said publicly in his own palace that Jalal was a matchless monarch, no sovereign having ever appeared in any age like unto him, but that his disciples were a very disreputable set. These words were reported to them, and the company of disciples were greatly scandalized at the imputation. Jalal sent a note to the Parawana, of which the following is the substance. Had my disciples been good men, I had been their disciple. Inasmuch as they were bad, I accepted them as my disciples, that they might reform and become good. Of the company of the righteous, by the soul of my Father, they were not accepted as disciples, until God had made himself responsible, that they would attain to mercy and grace, admitted among those accepted of him, until that assurance was given. They were not received by me, nor had they any place in the hearts of the servants of God. The sons of grace are saved, and the children of wrath are sick. For the sake of thy mercy, we, a people of wrath, have come to thee. When the Parawana had read and considered these words, he became still more attached to Jalal, arose, came to him, asked pardon, and prayed for forgiveness of God, distributing largely of his bounty among the disciples. And one of the things is that hardship, rather than this sign of, oh, this group deserves it versus the other group that didn't go through hardship, it's actually opportunity, to cleanse in this life.